Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveen here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make an intro for your videos in Sony Vegas. So before getting started, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. Let's get started. So you can make your own intro in Sony Vegas, but you need some time and some more skills for that. But I will make it easy for you guys with these few simple steps. So what I'm going to do is go to my YouTube and look for some best intro templates for Sony Vegas. I would prefer Velocity page for best intro templates because you can see tons and tons of video in Velocity and it is easy to download. So I have already selected this clip from Velocity. I'm gonna preview it for you now. So this is good, right? I'm gonna download it. You can see the download link in the description. Before clicking on the download link, check whether it's for Sony Vegas or for some other software. Once you're done with the checking, clicking on the download link will take you to another tab like this one. So you have to subscribe and follow the following pages like YouTube and Facebook and Twitter Velocity pages. So once you are done with the subscription, your download link will appear here within the 30 seconds. So clicking on this download will take you to another one tab like this one. So you can see the download option tab right here. Clicking on this download tab will download a file in a zip format. So once you are done with the downloading, I'm gonna unzip the downloaded file. This is a downloaded zip file, so I'm gonna unzip it. This is what when you unzip the downloaded file. So this is a file which you are going to edit in Sony Vegas Pro. So you can see the file type like Sony Vegas Pro in Vegas format. So I'm gonna open Sony Vegas, go to file, open, and open the file which you are going to edit. So after opening the file, we'll get a video clip like this one. I'm gonna zoom in for better preview. So what we are going to do right here is we are just going to edit the text format. So to edit the text format, you can see the tab right, generated media. So what you're going to do is we are going to edit our text. I'm gonna give my name. So after giving your name, close it, and you can see the yellow triangle in left and right corners, right? So this is what the rendering tool which we are going to render the video clip. So after selecting the area which we are going to render, click on file, render, give render as. So this is a default template which you are going to use for YouTube or some other options. So after clicking on the default option, browse for folders where you want to place the rendering file. So after giving all the options, click on render. I'm done with the rendering already, so I'm gonna preview it for you. So this is a file which I got rendered already. I'm gonna preview it for you. That's it guys, this is how you give an intro for your videos with these few simple steps in Sony Vegas. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye.